So now the important one I was going to tell you is the Open Grammarly. So the Open Grammarly, I like it because it's really helpful. It's a plugin that you need to install separately from Word. It doesn't come together, so you need to go to internet and try to find, install, and enable the plugin. If you have any problem using it, please leave your comment below. I will help you and tell you, maybe I can create a video how to install it. So do this, for example, here, and you can see here when I enable Grammarly, it's open this part of the window on the right with the errors. So here, for example, this is an error, your damage. So if we go damage, it will be with D because it become past tense here, and we have really. So it's suggesting you that you don't really need this word in this sentence. It doesn't work, so it's a good solution. So really it's like extra word. So this is how Grammarly is helping you to write. It's helping you to create a more simple and readable sentence without extra information. So this is all for Grammarly. Please give it a like, install it, try, and let me know if you like it. See you in the next video.